Alright people, Mr. Ace here. Today is Tuesday, November 12, 2024. Today I'm going to walk you through Quizzette Day 1 and also Day 2, but I want you to pause the video for like 5 minutes to try it out before you watch Day 2. Besides that, you're going to go to Delta Math and do Unit 2, check-in number 2. Alright, so make sure you have your Quizzette and don't forget to write your name. Okay, we're going to look at Quizzette number 1. Okay. Domain and range. What is domain and range? So last Friday, we talked about domain and range. Domain is the x value, range is the y value. Okay, if you don't remember, write it down. Domain is x values. Okay, range is the y value. Okay. Y values. Okay. Alright, so first we're going to do is write down all the coordinate points of this 4 points. We have first point is 2, 3. The x value go first. Second point is 4, 0. Next point is 1, negative 3. Next one is negative 1, 1. Alright, so domain is all x values. Domain in this case will be, okay, let me rewrite my braces. Domain is all the x values, so 2, 4, 1, and negative 1. We need to put them in order, so it's going to go with negative 1, 1, 2, 4. Okay, range is the y values. Range is the y value. So in this case we have 3, 0, negative 3, and 1. So follow the order. The smallest number go first. So we're going to go with negative 3, 1, sorry, my bad, 0, and then 1. 0, 1, and then 3. Okay. Keep in mind that if either domain or range has any number repeated, you only write one time. Okay. Next one, we're gonna do mapping. So same thing. We have domain. We have range. We're gonna draw two ovals. Domain is all x values. So first point, let's say I pick this point, that mapping 2 to 3. Okay. Next point, I have the point at 4 mapping to 0. Next point, we have 1 to negative 3. Okay, and negative 1 to 1. Negative 1 to 1. So in this mapping is called 1 to 1. Every x value has corresponding y value. So they go sideways exactly one value. Okay, number 3, we have if f of 3, find f of 3 given that f of x equal to x squared minus 3x. So they're asking us f of 3. F of 3. So what do you think? What do we have to do? So if you check the value, the x will be replaced by 3, which means all x's here will be replaced by 3. So we will have, instead of x squared, you're going to have 3 squared minus 3. Instead of x, you're going to times 3. Okay. All the x values turn into 3. Let me make sure that I draw the arrows here. Just in case you don't listen to this video, you can see the drawing. All x's turn into 3. So we have f of 3 is a name. Okay, f of 3 equal to 3 squared, which means 3 times 3 is 9, minus 3 times 3 itself is another 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Interesting. F of 3 equal to 0. Okay. Or the different way to think this is basically f of whatever value, which means y equal to 0. Okay, so different way to look at this is if x equal to 3, then y value equal to 0. Corresponding y value is 0. That's it. Okay. Alright, we're gonna look at number 4. You're gonna graph y equals to 3x minus 3 using x and y value table. So you're gonna create x and y value table. Okay. We're going to pick any value for x. For the convenience, I would like to choose small number, which is 0, 1, 2. For the convenience, you can pick any number. Okay, we know it's given as y equal to 3x minus 3. So in this case, your x value will be 0. So x will turn into 0. Let me see. Y equal to 3 times 0 minus 3. 3 times 0 is 0 minus 3 is negative 3. So when x is 0, corresponding y value is negative 3. Same thing, we're going to plug in the next one. Sorry, let me highlight this just in case you don't see it. And then when x is 1, we will have 3 times 1 minus 3. Now the x value will be replaced by 1. 3 times 1 is 3, minus 3 is 0. So when x value is 1, the corresponding y value is 0. Sorry about that. Next one, when x is 2, we're going to plug it in. Y equal to 3 times 2 minus 3. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 3 will be 3. So corresponding y value when x is 2, we have 3 as a value. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to plug it in. 0, negative 3. So 0 on x, down 3. That's the point, 0, negative 3. Okay. Next point, 1, 0. So x is 1, y is 0. So you stay at the x value is 1. Next point, x is 2, y is 3. 2, x is 2, go up 3. 2, comma 3. Alright, that pretty much it. We're going to draw the line, go through all 3 points. That's it. Alright, so that's it for Quizzette number 1. I'm going to pause the video here. Give yourself 5 minutes and then come back for the next video, Quizzette number 2. Alright guys, see you on the next video.